Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to NCS Radha's Online Teaching Academy, Ekalaiva. A diet is all that we consume in a day, and a balanced diet is a diet that contains an adequate quantity of the nutrients that we require in a day. A balanced diet includes 6 main nutrients. They are fats, proteins, carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Why a balanced diet is important? A balanced diet supplies the nutrients necessary for your body to work effectively. Without balanced nutrients, your body is more prone to disease, infection, fatigue, and low performance. Children who do not get enough healthy foods may have growth and developmental problems, poor academic performance, and frequent infection. Class 5, Subject EVS, Lesson Eat Right, Feel Right. In previous part, we discussed about significance of food and types of nutrients. Today, we are going to learn about significance of balanced diet, deficiency diseases, and healthy eating habits. A balanced diet is a well-planned diet that contains all nutrients in correct amount. A balanced diet helps us to grow well and stay healthy. The proper quantities of nutrients that are needed by us can be presented in the shape of pyramid called food pyramid. Look at the picture carefully, children. Rice and bread must form a greater part of the daily diet. Thus, they are placed at the bottom. All the seasonal fruits and vegetables must be taken in good amount. So, they appear above the carbohydrate. Protein-rich food such as milk, curd, cheese, etc. should be taken in moderate amounts. Oily food, ghee and butter should be less in daily diet. Thus, they form the top of the food pyramid. So, a healthy diet provides all the vital nutrients essential for our growth and proper function of our body. What are deficiency diseases? Diseases caused by lack of certain essential nutrients in one's diet over a prolonged period of time is called deficiency diseases. Insufficient intake of vitamins and minerals can lead to deficiency diseases. Let's see some healthy eating habits. Eat more fruits and salads. Do not run after the shine and glitter of packaged food. Eat more home cooked meals than restaurant food or junk food. Never ever eat food which has been kept uncovered. Wash your hands properly before and after eating food. Next, brush your teeth properly twice a day. Limit the intake of aerated drinks. Drink plenty of water, especially during summer season. Be physically active. Include exercises such as swimming, dancing, cycling, or playing some outdoor games in your daily life. Let's see the sources of carbohydrates, deficiency diseases, and their effects. Whole grains and legumes, cereals, potatoes are sources of carbohydrate. Deficiency disease, hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia is a condition in which your blood sugar level is lower than normal. Glucose is your body's main energy source. Hypoglycemia is often related to diabetic treatment. Effects: blood vision, fatigue, anxiety, palpitations, and pale skin. Let's say the sources of proteins, deficiency diseases, and their effects. Eggs, chicken, cheese, oats, soya bean, milk, and dairy products are the sources of proteins. Deficiency of protein may cause various health problems such as kwashiorkor and marasmus. Effects: swelling of feet and belly, malnutrition, fatigue, and stunted growth. Next, sources of iodine deficiency diseases and their effects. Eggs, nuts, iodized salt, dairy products are the sources of iodine. If you don't take iodine in proper amount in your diet, that may lead to deficiency diseases such as goiter, anemia, and hypothyroidism. Effects: swelling in neck area, weakness, and poor growth. Next, vitamin A. Sources of vitamin A, deficiency diseases, and their effects. All yellow and orange fruits and vegetables are the sources of vitamin A. Deficiency disease, night blindness. Effects: not being able to see at night could lead to complete blindness. Next, sources of vitamin B, deficiency diseases and their effects. Eggs, meat, milk, sprouts, green leafy vegetables are the sources of vitamin B. Deficiency disease, beriberi. Effects: swollen feet and legs, pain in limbs, shortness of breath. Let's see the sources of vitamin C, deficiency diseases and their effects. Citrus fruits, broccoli, and chestnut are the sources of vitamin C. Deficiency disease, gum bleeding and scurvy. Effects: weakness, anemia, gingivitis. It is a kind of disease that causes inflammation in gums. Next, sources of vitamin D, deficiency diseases and their effects. Fish, liver, eggs, cheese, soy milk are the sources of vitamin D. Deficiency diseases, rickets, improper growth of bones. Effects: weak bones, pain in limbs, deformity of bones, and fracture. What we learned today: significance of balanced diet, deficiency diseases, and healthy eating habits. I hope you all understood the topic. Thank you, children.